Assalamualaikum, grade 1. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing your work. अच्छा, grade 1. Today is 3rd December, Thursday. आज फिर हम length topic we will learn about the measuring length using standard units. I will tell you about some standard units to measure length. कौन कौन से यूनिट यूज़ होते हैं फॉर मेजरिंग लेंथ? मिलीमीटर्स, सेंटीमीटर्स और मीटर्स. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द बोर्ड. एज वी नो दैट 1 मीटर इज़ इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर के. 1 सेंटीमीटर इज़ इक्वल टू 10 मिलीमीटर्स. ओके, एंड 1 मीटर इज़ इक्वल टू 1000 millimeters. Okay, grade 1. These are the 3 standard units that we can use to measure the length of the different objects. It is very important that we choose the right unit for measurement. Okay, we need to choose the right unit for measuring the length of the different objects. Grade 1, as you know that we need a measurement scale. Measurement units होते हैं. Sometime we have a scale. This is a measuring instrument. We call it scale. इसको हम scale कहते हैं and we use in this class for drawing line. Okay, grade 1. So in this unit I will tell you when we need हमें meters कब use करते हैं. Centimeter, when we need to use centimeter and millimeters. अच्छा guys, let's see. Meters are the bigger units. We can measure the bigger length of the bigger thing. For example, length of the board in your class. You can measure it in meters and centimeters में. Okay, you can measure the road in meters. And the smaller thing, for example, duster. We can measure the length of the duster in centimeters. Okay, and when we use millimeters, very smaller thing, you can say the things smaller than duster and even from the pencil. For example, the lead of your pencil, can you measure it in centimeters? No, we can't measure the lead of the pencil in centimeters. We will use millimeters. Okay, grades, आपको बता दिया कि why we use different measuring units. Okay, now open page number 98 of your book. This page, open up. You can see on the book here is a measuring scale and the length of the table is 10 centimeter. कितनी है? 0 from 0 to 10 centimeter. This is the way you can put the measuring scale to measure the length of any object or thing. So we will put 0 at the starting point and look at the ending point. So it is ending, the table length of the table is 10 centimeter. Okay, and the height of the table is 4 centimeter. How much it is heighted? 4 centimeter. The length of the table is dash centimeter. कितने centimeter है? 10 centimeter. Now we also have to convert this length into millimeters में. Now centimeters को convert करें in millimeters में. 1 centimeters में 10 millimeters होते हैं. कितने होते हैं? 10 millimeters. तो 10 centimeters में कितने millimeters होंगे? We will multiply 10 with the 10. We will get 100 millimeters. Okay. The height of the table is 4 centimeter. Centimeters कितने हैं? 4. It is given 4. We will write 4 centimeters. And what will be the in millimeters? It will be 4 multiplied by 10. We will multiply 4 with the 10. As मैंने पहले भी बताया है कि 1 सेंटीमीटर्स में 10 मिलीमीटर्स होते हैं और 4 सेंटीमीटर्स में कितने मिलीमीटर्स होंगे? 4 multiplied by 10. We will get 40 millimeters. Okay, grade 1. Come to the next page. On this page, the length of the bench. This page you can see the length of the bench is 10 centimeter. As you can see on the scale, कितनी है measuring scale पे? 10 centimeter है. Simply we will write 10 here. Okay. Now next B point, the length of the train is dash meter. It is in meter. 0 meter to from 1 meter. the length of the train is given in meters. You can see it is 1 m. M mean meters, cm means centimeters. It is very important to write very carefully the units of the length. C point, the height of the chair is dash millimeters or centimeters. So what is the height of the chair? It is given in centimeters. 4 centimeters, you will write 4 centimeters. And what will be it in millimeters? It will be 4 centimeters hai, so you will multiply 4 with the 10. 4 multiplied by 10, 4 tens are 40. We will write here 40 millimeters. Again, the height of the plant is millimeters में और centimeters में. It is given in 1 meter. किसमें given है? 1 meters में. You have to convert 1 meters into millimeters and centimeters. I have told you already कि 1 meters में कितने centimeters होते हैं? 100 centimeter. So you will write 1 centimeter. It means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And 100 centimeters में कितने millimeters होंगे? You will multiply centimeters with the 10. 10 multiplied by 100. It will be 1000. It will be 1000 millimeters. And the last one, E point. This is the last E point. The length of the pencil is 12 centimeter. Look at the book. It is 0 centimeters to 12 centimeters. So you will write only in centimeters. If you want to convert in millimeters, 12 multiplied by 10, you will get in millimeters by multiplying with the 10. Okay, grade 1. This is both these pages you have to on book, and in the starting you have to write these units on your notebook.